Okay, hey guys, welcome to math for today. I hope that your page went well. I hope you didn't get frustrated or anything. I hope that you feel confident in all your answers, okay? So here we are on lesson 21 and 23 in the back of your book on page 353. Remember, if you haven't done the math pages yet, do not watch this video. Come back when you're done, okay? This is review to make sure that you're understanding everything correctly so that we can help you, okay? But if you watch this video without doing your math page, we are not helping you. Do not, okay? So make sure you go and do that. Here we go, number 1. I'm not going to write it on the board because it's just a suma. The answer is 14,935. 14,935. Number 2. I did do this one on the board, but the answer is 5,347. 5,347. So here we go. We need this to be 12, so we're going to borrow over here to be 3. We can keep going right now if you want to. We know that this cannot be 3 because it's 3 minus 9. We cannot subtract up like that, so let's just cancel it over here and make that 13. 6 minus 3 is possible, so we can stop borrowing for right now. 12 minus 5 is 7. 13 minus 9 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now we have to borrow from the 2 to make this 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. That's the answer. Number 3, the answer is 493,136. 493,136. Okay, so here we go. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 3 is 75. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 7 is 72. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 7 is 70. Oof, it's just cut. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 zeros now, right? Because we're moving over to this one. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 2 is 50. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 5 is 47. Honestly, guys, even I'm not really quite sure if I'm going to get the right answer, so we're about to find out right now, yeah? 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 5 times 8 is 13. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 7 is 9, and 493. Yes, you got it right, 136. Whew. Okay, here we go. This division is easier because there's only one digit on the outside. So how many times does 7 go into 67? 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. 67 minus 63 is 4. Bring down your 8. 7 into 48 is going to be 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract, it'll be 6. Bring down the 4. 7 into 64 will be 9 again. 9 times 7 is 63, so your remainder is 1. Okay? So your answer is 969, remainder 1. 969 with a remainder of 1. Here we go with this one. This is a division with 2 digits. So this is a 1, so we keep in our mind that this is 4 to estimate. How many times can 4 go into 38? 8 times, right? Or 9? 9 times. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, by the way, your answer is, on this one, 944, remainder 25. 944, remainder 25. So 4 into 38 is going to give us 9 times. We put 9 over the 7 because it's 41 into 387. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So then we subtract. This becomes 7. That becomes 17. That's 8. And 1. 18. Bring down the 2. How many times is 4 going to go into 18? 4 times. So we're going to put that for right here. 4 times 41 is 164. Let's subtract. That'll be 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Bring down the 9. Now, how many times is 41 going to go in 189? I assume it's going to go in 4 times again. So that 4 times is going to be 164 like it was last time. Then we subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. So that's why your remainder is 25. Okay? It says on number 6, we need to check problems 4 and 5. Well, I'm going to check it this time, so I'm going to check that one first, because I want to see if anybody got the check wrong and you feel like, oh, I don't know where I went wrong. I'm going to show you. 969 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 6 is 48. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4 is 67, plus 1 for your remainder is 6,784. Let's check this one, 944 times 41. So that's 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 9 is 9, put your 0. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 4 is 16 again, plus 1 is 17. And 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Is it 4, 10, 17, 8, 3, plus 1, plus 25, right over. Plus 25 plus your remainder, so that's 38,729, which is what that is, so oh, happy days. Woo-hoo. Okay? Look what it says in number 7. I'm just going to read these answers off to you. We don't need to write them on the board. How many feet are in a yard? 3. How many pecks are in a bushel? 4. Number 9, how many decimeters are in a meter? Remember, decimeters is DM, decameters is DAM. Okay, so it's 10. 10 is how many years in a decade? 10. Number 11, how many fluid ounces in a cup? 8. Number 12, how many inches are in a yard? 36. Number 13, how many quarts are in a gallon? 4. Number 14, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? 3. I hope you guys are using your conversion sheet, because I know that you've taken out your answers out of the book, so make sure you're using this, okay? 15, it says use digits to write 4,023,016. So I'm going to go ahead and write that here. Get rid of our mess. What did it say? 4 billion, number 15. 4 billion, comma, right? Because the comma says billion. 23,000, well then we're totally missing all the millions. So we have to go 0, 0, 0. Then we go 23,000. Well, we have to put in one more 0 so we can put that 23 where it's supposed to go. And then 16. We read the number back to ourselves and make sure that we're right. 4 what? Billion. Guys, if you don't put these here, that's going to be 4 million, and we don't want that. It's 4,023,016, okay? If you just do this, 4,023,016, you don't have 4 billion, okay? So you got to make sure you're putting them in the right place. Look at it, make sure you understand that one. And then look what it says in number 16. Find the cost to buy snacks for a week. If 4 snacks are bought daily, that's diariamente, at a cost of 75 cents per snack. Okay, guys, how many days are in a week? 7. You're buying 4 snacks cada día. Why? That's chucheria. You shouldn't eat that many things. But anyway, that's what he's doing, this guy. So how many snacks is that in a week? 7 days, 4 every day. How many is that? 28, 7 times 4. So he's buying 28 snacks a week. And every snack costs 75 cents. So what are we going to do? Multiply 75 cents times 28. Your answer, by the way, is $21. So I'm going to go 0.75 times 28. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4 is 60. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 0, 0, 21, put your point, 1, 2, point, dollar sign. $21 he spent on snacks in a week. No. You could do so much more with that money. Okay, look at lesson 23. Lesson 23, number 1 is 75,735. 75,735. And the rest of them, some of them I'm going to put on the board. So okay, here we go. Let's finish up. Number 2 on lesson 23 is 1,895. So 1,895. Let me get another color here. Okay, so we're going to borrow. We need this to be 14. So this is going to be 8, right? So 14 minus 9 is 5. 8 minus 9 is impossible, so we're going to borrow. Again, that's 7. That's going to be 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 9 is impossible, so we're going to borrow again. We can't borrow from there because it's 0. So we have to borrow from here. This is 4. This is 9. This is 17. 17 minus 9 is going to give you 8. 9 minus 8 will give you 1, and 4 minus 4 will give you 0, so your answer is 1,895, okay? This is a huge multiplication, but the answer to this one is 785,502. That's 785,502. Okay, here we go. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 4 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 4 is 52. Put a 0 right here. 0 times, oh, okay, all this is going to be 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Okay, let me put 2 zeros here. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 6 is 60. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 6 is 78. Then we add them together. This is 2, this is 0, this is 5. This is 5, this is 8, this is 7. It's easy to make an error on that one, you guys, so just be careful and watch to see where you messed up. If you did. If you didn't, you can see that is. Okay, here we go. This answer number 4 is 6,400. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. And 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Add them together, and you get 6,400. 6,400. Over here, another one with a 1 in front. How many times is 15 going to go into 96? Oh, by the way, your answer on this one is 645. Okay, 645, 645, pardon. 15 into 96, we're going to do it 6 times. Because that'll give you 90. 96 minus 90 is 6, and we bring down the 7. How many times can 15 go into 67? I'll say 4 times. So that'll be 60. 67 minus 60 is 7, bring down the 5 is 75. We'll say 5 times. Yeah, look at that, 75. Your answer is 645. Okay, on number 6, it says average again. This time we're going to average 9, 8, 4, 7, 2, and 6. Remember what average is? Sumari dividir. So 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. This is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we have 6 and a 6, so your answer is 6. Okay, that is your answer. Number 7 says to convert 2 feet into how many inches? The answer is 24. How do you know? 2 feet. Put your feet here. How many inches are in a foot? 12. 2 times 12 is 24. Okay? Look at number 8. Convert 9 feet into yards. Right? So here, 9 feet. Put feet on the bottom, put yard on the top. How many feet are in a yard? 3 feet, 1 yard. Do we multiply or divide? We multiply. And we divide because 3 is on the bottom, so you put 3 here, and that's your answer, 3 yards. It says to convert, let me grab my eraser. It says on number 9 to convert 3 meters into centimeters. The answer is 300. So let me show you how we got that. Let's put our 3 here, put meter on the bottom, put centimeter on the top. How many centimeters are in a meter? 100. Do we multiply or divide? We multiply because they're both on top, so your answer is 300. Okay? Number 10, it says to multiply each number by 9. What's 9 times 12? 108, that's one answer. 9 times 7? 63, that's the other answer. 9 times 16? Honestly, I don't like doing that in my head. 144. 9 times 11, 99. 9 times 25? 225. Then it says, write the number that comes next in the counting sequence. These are always fun, you guys. You have to find the patron. This is number 11. Find the patron, the pattern. Your sequence is this. 5, 8, 11, 14. What's the next number? Anybody figure it out? The next number is 17. Why? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. And then 14 plus 3 is 17. That was your patron. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Even though we went through them, I'm not going to get impaciente if you call me and say, Miss Jessica, I still need help on something. That'll be good to call me, okay? So there you go. Have a great day, guys.